Even if she doesn't have a job, even if he has a job, even if he doesn't have a job and she has a job, it is not her money. Whatever I make. Si sorry, boss. What?
I mean,
I'm very clear with this. Si sorry, boss. Sorry. So, Nyumaha.
Oh, huh?
Marriage was, why is it falling apart? We can go back where we started. With God on our side.
It doesn't start there. It starts with the day boy meets girl.
Oh yeah, there's another tributary to this stream.
Oh yes. It doesn't start there. And I see a problem with this case that we had, because these two, I can tell for sure, they never sat down to discuss money matters.
Maybe they sat, but the discussion didn't end.
Or,
Okay, that's on a light note.
or the discussion did not touch fully about money.
Yeah, about that issue of hii pesa ya huku ni ya nani? Pesa yenye inaingia kwa account yako na yenye inaingia kwa account yangu.
Inafanywa nini?
Inafanywa nini? And I remember we've done
a video about finances. Please look for it.
Yeah. It's only that this particular one touches on the in-laws.
Yeah.
If you look for that video, we've highlighted about we are one. And to avoid very many things that are being caused by money in marriage today, tuwekeni yote hapa. That is our view. And trust grows like that. With time, you even learn to let go of each other because of the trust you build by first of all placing everything transparently. But you realize here is a case in point, which is just an example of many other things happening, where the guy actually says, no, we are not sending money. It's not even we are not. I am not sending money to your father. What does that tell you? That the guy is saying, this is my money, and those are your parents.
Not my parents.
Not my parents. This is my money, and those are your parents, and I will not give them
my money.
So the question is, in summary, how much have we agreed about how to treat monies? Because I can tell you for sure, transparently speaking, hakuna pesa inaendanga kwao ama kwetu yenye hakuna mwenye hajui. And unless it is an emergency, it will be agreed upon. If it is something there is no time to talk about before, it will be done. And because of that trust of transparency, when it is reported, it will not be an issue. By the way, kulienda hivi na hivi, madhia kanipigia, mabro kanipigia, kukaenda hivi na hivi, nikamtumia kadhaa. Because of the trust that has been based on transparency to begin with, it will not be an issue. So how much, this one goes especially to the singles and to the married who still want to do some repair. How much have we agreed upon? How is money being handled here?
Two things that bring down a family. One is cheating. The second is finances. If you do not agree on those two things,
sorry, corona. Corona ni dry cough.
Should I keep social distance? So if you do not sit down to agree about your monies, I can promise you, you may think it is okay. And even if you have dated for how many years, and you have been okay with how he handles his money, and he treats you like a queen, but you do not talk about money, it will come back to bite.
Yeah, true.
Even if it is 10 years down the line, he will do something with his money, and you will not be knowing, and you will not agree with it.
Yes.
And that is where there will be collusion.
Yes.
And this collusion ends up in, most of the time, in separation or divorce.
Yeah. Or a forever unhappy marriage, which
exactly
you're doing for the screens.
Listen, it is our opinion, and we believe it is the correct opinion. I know we have so many other opinions, and we had this discussion 2 days ago with some of my colleagues, but it is our informed opinion. Ha! Hey! Sisema kizungu yangu.
Dictionary on the Latin informed.
Pana cheza wewe. Pana cheza na information. It is our informed opinion that when you come together, you become one.
True.
There are no two people. You become one. And it is not one in terms of the marriage. And then it is two in terms of finances.
Yeah.
It is one on everything. If you separate the two and start saying there are some things he can do, there's some things I can do, there is my money, you know, I want to some makeup, money, my friend, if you separate them from the beginning, and this is the conversation you should be having when you're dating, what do you do with your money? What do you want us to do with my money? That unfortunately for this girl, she doesn't have a job, but nevertheless his money is no longer his. Even if she doesn't have a job, even if he has a job, even if he doesn't have a job and she has a job, it is not her money. Whatever I make, sorry bas. What
I mean,
I'm very clear with this. Sorry bas. Sorry. So Nyumaha.
Whatever she does with her money or whatever they decide.
You see, for us men, we want to own the money. And we want to feel that we are in control of the money. But you've got to understand, even if she doesn't, you know, let me tell you, you never know when you're going to lose your job. And I pray you never lose your job. And you never know who is going to
just refuse to.
And you never know who is going to lose his or her job. So it is your responsibility to agree that my money is not my money, it is our money. What we do with our money, let us just recap kidogo to, please watch that video because it explains so much about money. What we do with our money, whatever she makes, whatever I make, we put them together and
because
say
we're
it's not about money.
The house rent and the children and they're all ours, you know. So if nasisemi I can't do makeup, by the I don't fail to do makeup because of money. That's not the reason. Neither am I saying that I am rich. I am so rich.
Maybe you are rich here, in the heart.
Yes. If I was doing makeup, kuna saa zenye ningekosa juu ya pesa. But that's not the reason I don't. But if I used to do makeup, this is something that we would put in that budget. Juu hakuna kitu na feature na hakuna kitu, you know, and we will make wise decisions. Kuna pesa inatosha na hivi. Ni mtoto ataenda shule ama ni manicure nitafanya. Tungekuwa tunaangalia hiyo pamoja. That is what happens. So don't think it's not again a matter of because we are putting the monies together, I am not free to be myself in, you know, those small things that I mean, he can get a pair of shorts, he can go to the barbers, he can, but it's all, you know, you find a way of, okay, anyway, watch that video and please talk about
your finances.
Marriage One.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to this channel if you like it. Weka kidole.
And please click on that notification bell, comment down there so we can talk and share the gospel.
Marriage One. Why is it for?